Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ahilya Barure. We'll see literary form and ode in this video. An ode. It has its origin in Greek. Word ode comes from the Greek word avoid, which means to sing or to chant. It is a long narrative poem written for an occasion or on a particular subject. It is serious and dignified composition. Ode is a longer than lyric and always written in rhyme. Its form is addressive and appealing. It is an elaborately structural poem praising or glorifying an event or an individual. Theme may be public or private event. I would like to mention here the example of an ode written by Tennyson's Ode on the Death of the Duke of Wellington. Types of ode. There are mainly three forms of ode: Pindaric ode, Horatian ode, and irregular ode. First one, Pindaric ode. It is also called as Dorian ode in the name of Dorian district and dialect spoken there. Greek poet Pindar invented the form, so it is called as Pindaric ode. Greek odes were originally poetic and performed with musical accompaniment. Greek odes are choric and sung to the accompaniment of dance. This is also known as classical ode. It has its own structure and form. It is divided into three sections. First one, strophe. In this, there is formal opening and telling a part of story. Dancers turn from right to left. Second is antistrophe. It tells the counterpart and dancers turn from left to right. And third section is epode. It is a closing section of different length and meter, and at this time dancers stood still. Lesbian ode or Horatian ode. This is the second type. It is originated in island of Lesbos, so it is called as Lesbian ode. This ode is also known as a homostrophic ode because each stanza in the Horatian ode form the same meter, rhyme scheme and length. It is simpler in form and style in comparison to Pindaric ode. It consists number of stanzas similar in length. It is also known as Horatian ode because it is written by Roman poet Horace, and also this type of form was written by Catullus. It is often addressed to a friend or deal with friendship and love. Here I would like to mention the best example of Horatian ode which was written by Andrew Marvell. Title of the poem is Upon Cromwell's Return from Ireland. I quote, "He nothing common did or mean upon that memorable scene, but with his keen eye the access edge did try, nor call the gods with vulgar spite to vindictive his helpless rights, but bowed his comely head down as upon a bed." This is the best example of Horatian ode. Ode in English literature. Irregular ode or ode in English literature. It is regular or irregular in form and structure. This type of ode was written during Romantic era. Rhyme and meter used, but in more relaxed manner. Irregular stanzas were there. P.B. Shelley, John Keats, William Wordsworth wrote in this form of ode. Here is one example I have mentioned. Our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting. This stanza is taken from William Wordsworth poem.